Are you facing problems with marking lessons as completed for each user in Tutor LMS? You're not alone. Managing lesson progress and user data can sometimes be challenging, especially when it comes to tracking each student's completion. In this video, we'll walk you through a solution using the Tutor LMS Custom User Importer plugin to streamline course management. Let's get started. One powerful tool to manage this effectively is the Tutor LMS Custom User Importer plugin. This plugin allows you to import multiple students along with their lesson completion data, all at once. Here's how to set it up and make sure lesson completion is accurately recorded. Step 1. Download the importer template. First, download the importer template from the plugin settings page. This template includes all fields you'll need for accurately importing student data. Step 2. Fill out the template. Open the template, where you'll see columns like username, email, enrolled course ID, date of enrollment, and even fields for completion data. Completion data for lesson tracking. To address completion tracking, be sure to fill out fields like completed course ID and completion date for students who have already completed courses. Step 3. Save and import. After filling out the template, save it and go back to the plugin to start your import. Once imported, you'll see each user's updated completion status in the student section. Once the import is complete, go to the Students section to review each student's profile. Here, you can track their enrollment statuses and verify their lesson and course completion records to make sure nothing is missing. By using the Tutor LMS Custom User Importer plugin, you can resolve lesson completion issues, keep track of each student's progress, and maintain an organized course structure. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tips on making the most out of Tutor LMS.